Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my savvy, thank you for your support. So today's topic is about Uskoteni and Cyan. Because you know what? At the end of the day, Cyan did not respond. So okay, let me say beef, even when she did not respond. So, Scotteni, she said this about Cyan. She said that Cyan is owing her money and she did not pay. Fans are saying that Scotteni is starting Cyan. They are not happy about it. They asking, what did Cyan do to you? Like, what did she do to you for you to say these bad things about her? Cyan did not respond back. I'm so shocked. Like, it's the first time I see Cyan being attacked, and she just let it be. She has really changed. It's like the old Cyan is gone. Now we have this cool Cyan who doesn't care about what people say about her. She's just living her soft life. So fans were not impressed about everything that Scottini said. They are just really concerned about this new character of hers on TikTok. They are saying now she's thinking that she's the queen of TikTok. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Bye.